What's up everyone? For those of you who don't know me, I'm John and welcome to Fields Lawn Care. So today I'm going to go to a couple different stores and get the parts for both of these two mowers right here, and then I'm going to finish building my workbench behind me and organize the garage a little bit. So I'm going to bring you guys along with the video. Parts anyways for both the mowers, my little 22-inch push mower and the 33-inch mulching deck. I've got spark plugs and air filters, and I've got oil, and then a little part for the carburetor fuel line for this one. So I've got two belts coming for this one and the drive belt coming for the 22-inch back there. To get done today, I'm going to go ahead and change the oil and the spark plugs and air filters and all that good stuff. And I even have a little fitting for this one on the carburetor there, which I'll show you guys in the video when I work on this. But anyways, before I get to this, here is the workbench that I've been building. I need to finish it. None of these top pieces are on yet, and the bottom's not on yet. But I'm pretty happy with that. It's not bad. So I'm going to get this going. I'm going to get this finished. And then I'm going to organize the garage a little bit here, because this is going to go over there. And I'm going to maybe move some stuff around. Of course, once my wife leaves for work, I'm going to have a lot more room in here to get stuff done. So I'll bring you guys back in this video once this is built and put in place. And then the first thing I'm going to do before I work on that is I'm going to take the blades off. I'm going to sharpen the blades. I've got a company here, great company, Grizzly Lawn Gear. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of them or know about them, but they've got a real nice lawnmower sharpening kit here, which that's going to be a whole nother video. So you guys will see me take the blades off and everything, and once I get that done, then the next video I release will probably be the video of me sharpening the blades and giving a real nice review on this kit. We'll see my honest opinion on it. Alright, so as you can see, I was able to finally get my belts. They came in, so I got them, so they're ready to get changed on to both of the mowers. Now, in case you guys didn't already notice, as you can see, my garage is cleaned up. I got the workbench is completely built. Last thing I need to do still is get hardware to mount the vise, which, by the way, hey, I got a vise. The last thing I need to do is get hardware to mount it, but I think I'll be okay sharpening a few blades on it with the way I'm going to use this kit anyways. As you can see, I got the hooks up for the weed eaters. My plan is, of course, this fan will get moved, but my plan is I'm going to have a few more hooks put up when I get the next leaf blower, or when I get my leaf blower and my next weed eater. I am planning on moving some stuff still yet when the 60-inch mower gets here, if I do get one, which right now I'm pretty sure I am. This shelf is going to get moved over here eventually once I can get rid of the fish tanks. And then this whole set is going to get moved down a bit, and then the 60-inch mower will sit right here. I'm going to get a pegboard put up and put some tools on it, and that should open up spots in my toolbox over there so I can start putting more. Let me know what you guys think on this kind of video. It's a little bit of a different video from what I'm going to be doing. It's kind of just like a vlogging video. If you like it, let me know in the comment below. I promise all these next videos are going to be more, more action anyways, be cutting grass and stuff like that. I am going to be bringing you guys along with me as I'm doing bids. I've got a commercial bid coming up I'm pretty excited about. So anyways, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the content. And as always, thanks for watching. See you.